Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we can call it as a part 2 of my previous video where I showed you all the home decor pieces which I recently got from Shein, and today I'm going to update you with a few more things. Also wanted to show you how I have set up the living room. In this video, I'm going to paint after a very long time. Last time I painted was 2 years ago when I was in Nagpur doing work from home and I wanted to try canvas painting, and those were very small canvas, but today I'm going to paint a really big one, and for that I was searching on Pinterest what I can do, and I wanted it to be very minimalistic as well as to add pop of color on the wall. Yeah, I'm going to do it for the living room, and I have a free space on the wall and it looks kind of empty right now, so I wanted to add one painting there. So I got the canvas. I'll show you right now. So I got this canvas. It's really big. So yeah, I'm going to do that and I'll show you that how it's going to turn out. I'm so excited for that. I'll show you how the living room is currently looking. I have added these two cushions on both the sides of the sofa, and there's this blanket. I've set up this table here. There's this lamp, and I wanted to add the painting here because it's looking empty right now. There we are going to add the canvas and also welcome our new member, this mirror right here. I have ordered one mirror and it came broken, so I returned it, and it was a hectic process. Here in India, if we want to return, they will come and pick up the parcel from our place, but here we have to go to a particular point, one courier point, where we have to return the parcel. So we carried it. It was so heavy and we carried that, and I got the money back now, and I got this mirror from Ikea, and it's actually good. And even I ordered this online and it came properly, so I'm happy about it, and I think it's enough for me. We mainly wanted this because there's no full-length mirror or any dressing table in this house. Only there's one mirror in the bathroom where we can just see till this area. We can get dressed, but there's no full-length mirror. I can see myself completely here, so it's enough. And also I have added this artificial plant right next to this, the mirror and the sofa. Also I have added another plant here next to the TV. So yeah, that's it. So this is the design which I'm going to make. What do you guys think? So I got this acrylic paint set. I hope this has got all the colors which are required for this. Actually, I got this first and then decided the design, so hope it has got all the color. And it comes with these 3 paint brushes, but I don't think that would be enough because the canvas is too large, and that's why I got these brushes as well, so that it would be easier. And also I don't have container or the plate where we add the colors and then do the painting. So if you remember the kulfi dabba from my grocery hall, so we'll use this both the sides. Okay, so that's this. So let's just get started. Actually, it comes with 3 canvas, 3 different sizes. This maybe I'll do it later. Today we are going to do the 50 into 70 centimeter one. Just outlined, I don't know if you can see it, with the pencil. I've just outlined the design. Should I just leave it like this or add those leaves with black color? But anyways, I have to wait for this yellow color to get dried right now and then do the black outlining. But I'm just scared. It looks okay, like it's looking like an abstract art, but what to do? Okay, let's do as per plan. I've just made this design with pencil right now and then I'm going to paint it. I hope it looks good. I've made the first stem and there's another one I have to make and it has to go till there. honestly, it's not looking that bad, but it's not perfect. But it's fine. What do you guys think? So let's actually hang this. Right now it's dry already. And there, can you see that there's this system to avoid drilling. They have provided, what's that called? I don't know. You get it, right? I think now this room and this wall looks complete. What do you guys think?